Your last chance to inspect anything before purchasing it is clearly very important, but when it comes to buying a home, it's on another stratosphere of significance. My name is Yanni Kifle with your DMV Team Realty, and today we're going to discuss why the final walkthrough is so important and 2 tips to help you have a successful one. Imagine you're just hours from signing to purchase your first home. You head to the property to do one last quick inspection for your final walkthrough, and you are shocked. In the basement is a big puddle of water that has leaked through the basement exterior door. Is the drain system clogged? Is the sump up not working? Has the moisture led to mold forming? Your mind is racing at this point and you are obviously frustrated. Not how you imagined this day going. This scenario has played out in real life purchases so many times, so it's clear why the final walkthrough is vital. Simply put, this is your last chance to make sure the home you're paying a lot of money for is as you saw it last and nothing disastrous and costly has occurred since. So here are 2 quick tips to make sure you have a successful final walkthrough. First, if at all possible, try to schedule your final walkthrough mid-afternoon, early evening, the day before settlement, not a few days before and not on the day of closing. Reason being, if it's more than 1 day away from settlement, then that still leaves too much time from when you saw the property last and when you officially signed. Too much time means that's enough time for something negative to occur at the home. And you don't want to do it the day of closing because if in fact something has negatively occurred at the home, then you want enough time to adequately and fairly come to a solution with the seller and how you guys will move forward. We have found that when something occurs the day of closing, both seller and buyer are on edge and against the clock and could lead to unsuccessful negotiations. As a buyer, you also don't want the emotions and excitement of finally closing on your home to push you into compromising on something that you shouldn't have. Second, if in fact you have agreed with the seller on them repairing or replacing some big ticket items, for example, the furnace, the water heater, or the roof, we recommend hiring your home inspector to attend the final walkthrough to fully inspect whatever has been repaired or replaced. This ensures you have a professional eye checking it out to make sure it's done correctly. Hopefully this was beneficial. My team and I are here to help you with any of your real estate needs when the time comes, so please be sure to check out yourdmvteamrealty.com.